In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 and even $20,000 every single month in affiliate commissions promoting someone else's product where you don't have to create a website, you don't need a product, you don't need to launch anything, you don't need to call anyone, you don't need to chase anyone. All this can be done for free without any paid ads, without any investment, without having to spend a single dime, and without having to pay someone, to hire someone to do something. And you can do this on a daily basis, on a regular basis, and start seeing commissions this week. That's right, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So let's dive into this video. It's all about Clickbank affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're completely new to this field and you want to crush it online, then I highly recommend you watch this video right to the end, because this one video is more than enough to change your life and give you the .com lifestyle where you have time, location and money freedom. So let's dive into this video. If you don't know what Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of digital products, and it allows you to promote products and pays you commissions every 2 weeks. First 2 payments go straight to your bank account via paycheck. So you receive a paycheck to your postal address, and then you just need to clear that paycheck. And then after that, you can go to the settings and set up electronic payment. I'm going to show you how to choose the right product. I'm going to show you what you need to do to start promoting products starting today. And I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free traffic and start making money this week in commissions, and then build that up to $5,000, $10,000 and even $20,000 a month in commissions. Just keep watching, because this one video is more than enough to change your life. Now, before I get deep into this video, I want to recommend something. That is, I want you to read this book, okay? This book, I want you to read this book, okay? Why do I say this? I'm saying this because a lot of people come into this industry from a 9-to-5 job, from another industry. They have the wrong mindset. So when they come into this industry, they're expecting things to happen overnight. They're expecting things to happen on completely autopilot without having to do anything. They're expecting things to happen without lifting a finger, and it doesn't work like that. You have to put some effort, you have to put some money in, you have to do a lot of things to make this work, okay? Yes, in the beginning, initial effort will pay you off big time. So what I'm trying to say is, if you read this book, okay, it's going to shift your mindset. It's going to make you feel like a millionaire, think like a millionaire, believe that you can become a millionaire. And that is true, okay? So I highly recommend you read this book. I've got this book myself and I've read it so many times. It's one of the, it's a great book, okay? And you can read this, and I highly recommend you start reading this book, okay? So that's the mindset. You need to get the mindset right. You probably saw so many people, they press a couple of buttons and they make so much money. And a lot of people, they make so much effort and they're not making any money, all right? You need to read this book, okay? So let's dive into this. So first of all, let's just go to Clickbank and let's choose a product, okay? So for this, I'm going to choose, okay, I'm just going to choose one product here from affiliate marketing, okay? And then we're just going to look what we can see, $105, okay, what this product is all about. Let me just see the sales page if it's still available, okay, and make $25 to $35 per hour. Doing simple writing from home, full training provided. Okay, and I could see that this is looking good. It's got a $1 trial. There's one downside to this. The downside is it's not mobile friendly product, okay? So we want a mobile friendly product, and the reason is because most of the traffic is going to come from mobile devices. You can see this is a mobile friendly product. It's paying me high commissions. Okay, where is that gone? Okay, let me see what this is. This is all about drop shipping. Okay, I'm not interested in drop shipping. So let's just keep searching. Okay, recession profit, mobile friendly. Let me see what this is all about. Right, recessionprofitsecrets.com. Let's wait for it to load. Time is running out. Make more money or lose everything. You must decide today. Okay. Okay, so not bad. Okay, not bad. So what we need to do now is we need to go to ChatGPT, and we're gonna put something like, write me an article all about Clickbank affiliate marketing. Write me a 2,000 word article. 2,000 word article all about Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay. So the 2,000 word article is ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this article and we're going to paste it on a website that gets unlimited amounts of traffic, and Google loves this website and it will rank your website. So the website is called Vocal Media, right? So I'm going to come here and we're going to create a story. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT and we're just going to copy this, okay? Clickbank affiliate marketing. We're going to come here. I'm just going to paste it. Clickbank affiliate comprehensive guide to success. All right, come back to ChatGPT. All right, and let's just copy some part of this to put it in the subtitle. There you go. And then we're just going to scroll down. All right, and we're going to put the whole article in here. All right, so we're going to come here, we're going to copy this entire article, okay, and we're just going to paste it in here, and there you go, that's done. All right, now what we're going to do is at the end, Clickbank affiliate marketing offers a tremendous opportunity for those looking to earn passive income by promoting digital products. Okay, there you go. We're just going to go that, and then down here it's very important you do this. Okay, you put your affiliate disclosure. So I have my affiliate disclosure down here, which is very, very important. We're just going to go like this here, and also if you have generated the article using AI, then you want to put, bear in mind that this article has been generated using AI. That's it. You want to put something like that. Okay. Now we're just going to polish this, okay, a bit. So we're going to make it a bit more better. All right. So how do you do that? We're going to go to Canva. We're going to create a design, and we're going to go to custom size. We're just going to put 440. 1440, and we're just going to hit enter. Oh, we're going to go to apps. We're going to wait for it to load. Scroll down. We're going to go to Magic Media, and we're just going to put something like affiliate marketing with dollars and dollar signs. Let's see what they have to come up with. So let's just wait for this to load. So far looking good. This is the power of doing this. So far, if you're liking what I'm teaching you, please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Make Money Online videos. And if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be more than happy to answer your question. My goal is to help you make at least 5 and 6 figures in commissions online. So we're going to take this image here. It's looking quite good to me. Okay, and we're just going to download this image straight onto our computer. And then we're going to come back here. And down here, we're just going to go down. And down here, we're going to come here, upload image. There you go. Right. So now this is looking very, very good. Okay. You can see this, okay? And then we're just gonna put something down here. So we're gonna go back to Clickbank, okay, and we're gonna put recession profits. Learn how to generate Clickbank commissions at home. Okay, click here to get, just click here to get recession profits. Learn how to generate Clickbank commissions at home. I'm gonna go here, we're just going, we'll do this, okay, bold, okay, and then we're gonna go back to Clickbank. We're gonna get our affiliate link, right? Scroll down, copy, and we're going to paste our link here. Click on this tick button, and there you go. Look at that. That's looking so good, alright? But we're going to get rid of that because I think it's right in the beginning, and because it's right in the beginning, I don't think it's a good idea putting it right in the beginning. Okay, so we're going to put that somewhere. Going to put that image again. I think the image is just gone. Okay, so let's just upload that image again. You can see this is all being live right in front of your eyes. Okay, let's just do that again. Click here to get access to the recession profit secrets. I think that's more than enough. Okay, I think I've spelled it wrong. If that's the case, recession, yep, I've spelled it wrong. Let's just go here and do that. There you go. And there you go. We're gonna bold it, we're gonna highlight this, we're gonna put our affiliate link. Just put this up in there again. So you can see this is all being live right in front of your eyes. I'm teaching you how to do this, okay? Come here, scroll down, get your affiliate link again, come back here, okay, and then come back here and just paste that in, and that's it, that's done. Alright, we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna put this couple of times in different places, okay? So we're gonna scroll down again, and then we're gonna put it here. There you go. Then we're going to put it here again. We'll put it here again, and that's it. Alright, and we're going to put the image as well a couple of times. So I'm going to put the image around here. So let's just come here, let's just make it, makes it more professional. Alright, just go here. Let me just put it again somewhere down here. So I'm going to come here, select the file. Alright, put it here as well. Let's get rid of that. There you go. So this is a beautiful article, all for free. Now if you do this on a constant basis, regular basis, every single day, without giving up, with believing in yourself, you're going to start seeing traffic, you're going to start seeing sales, you're going to start seeing commissions coming in on a daily basis on completely autopilot. Okay, so this has to be done. This was all about Clickbank affiliate marketing for beginners, how to generate affiliate commissions with Clickbank, okay, for free. Now if you want to learn how to generate commissions like this, what you're seeing on the screen, I made over $119,000 in commissions with this done for you program and system that's created by my mentor Mr. X. Then all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. Make sure you check it out. I also have a comprehensive Clickbank course where I'll teach you in depth detail with traffic generation on how you can go ahead and start to make money with Clickbank. If you want to learn all about that, all about Clickbank, and you're interested, all the links are going to be in the description box below this video.